How to set up Authenticator app for Twitter. If any day any of you are a Twitter user and you would like to set up your Authenticator app for your very Twitter account, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Twitter application on your mobile device. For that, you can go to the search icon on your mobile device. And after you go to the search icon of your mobile device, you can search X out there. It's because these days X has been named to the very Twitter application. Therefore, Twitter application is called as X. And after you search X out there, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the very X application. After you tap on the very X application, X or the Twitter application will be launched on your very mobile device. Now you have to go to the profile section on the top and then go to the option of settings and support. After you tap on settings and support, you can see the option of settings and privacy. You have to tap on the option of settings and privacy. After that, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of security and account access. After you tap on security and account access, now you have to go to the option of security and tap on security. After tapping on security, you can see an interface like this. Now you have the option of two-factor authentication, ID verification, additional password protection, and all of those. Since you want to add the apps out there, you can also tap on the option of the apps and sessions. After you tap on the option of the apps and session, now you have to wait for a while until it gets loaded, because maybe the problem of your internet connection out there. If you have a faster internet connection, it will be faster, but if it's lower, then it will be a little lower. But if it's not open, even though you have done all of these methods, you can go to the option of connected accounts and tap on it. And even though if the connected accounts as well, if it's not seeing there, you can go to the security once again, and then you can go to the very option of the ID verification and tap on ID verification. After tapping on ID verification, you can go to the option of subscribe to premium, because if you subscribe to the very premium, you can add your Google Authenticator here, and this way you can solve your problem. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.